Good morning, good afternoon, whatever time you are watching me and wherever place you are watching me from. Welcome once again. We are live in my thoughts. Raindrops might be small in shape and size, but their continuous fall makes a river to overflow. Remember that small continuous efforts can make you to make a massive change in life. Question: why should you then give up? Success is a process. Everything has its own season and time. I believe your time is about to come. Keep going, however small effort you make and however small steps you take.